If you've looked at AI voice agents before and thought, not quite ready, you weren't wrong, to be honest, right? Speaking candidly, the first voice agents we built were B minus quality at best. They were slow, they repeated themselves, and sometimes they pushed too hard to book appointments. But that has all changed dramatically. Hi there, I'm Cara Pryor. I'm the president of James Publishing and the founder of our Growth Amplifier program. What I want to show you today is a completely different class of AI front desk voice agent, one that law firms are now using for reliable, affordable, 24/7 call handling. The improvement didn't come from our work alone, of course. The underlying tech itself took a major leap forward. And the voice agents we are building today are now A+ quality with fast, natural responses, empathetic tone, intelligent qualification, and that calm, professional call handling every single time. Let me show you an example. No canned answers or rigid decision tree to follow like so many chatbots use. No, you can test it yourself by calling the number displayed. Call it, ask some questions, and see for yourself. But we designed this front desk voice agent, of course, specifically for personal injury firms, but we can also build voice agents for bankruptcy, business, criminal, employment, family, lemon law, immigration, social security, disability, whatever firm you desire. So our 100,000 plus pages of practitioner directed content from James Publishing, that allows us to create exceptionally knowledgeable agents. Even better, the conversation doesn't stop when the call ends. Now the agent can send a personalized text message immediately after the call. This is huge.
Thank you. I've got that of carrier@jamespublishing.com. Did the incident happen in Delaware?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Did it happen within the last 2 years?
Yeah, it happened last Tuesday around 6:30 in the evening. I was driving home from work and another driver ran a red light and hit the driver's side of my car.
I'm really sorry that happened to you. Getting hit on the driver's side is scary. Thank you for sharing that. What type of injury did you suffer?
My neck and my lower back started hurting later that night. I went to urgent care the next morning. They said I probably have whiplash, maybe soft tissue injury.
I'm sorry you're dealing with that pain. Whiplash and low back injuries can be really miserable. Where did you get medical treatment after the incident?
I'm wondering, is that the kind of injury that personal injury lawyers would usually handle?
Yes. Car accident injuries like whiplash and other soft tissue neck and back injuries are the kind of situation our office often helped with. I'm not a lawyer, but we can definitely have the attorney review what happened. To finish up that last qualifying piece, where did you get medical treatment after the incident?
I went to urgent care.
Okay, thanks. Let me check the attorney's next available Zoom appointment time. The attorney would like to speak with you about your situation. The appointment will be by Zoom. Here are the next two available times: Pacific Daylight Time, Wednesday, March 11th at 10 o'clock a.m. Wednesday, March 11th at 10:30 a.m. Which one would you like?
The second one works better.
Perfect. I'll get that Zoom appointment booked for you now. You're all set for Wednesday, March 11th at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and it'll be via Zoom. Do you have any final questions I can help with?
To be honest, I'm a little overwhelmed. I've never had to deal with something like this before. Based on what I've told you so far, does that sound like something your firm might be able to help with?
It absolutely makes sense to feel overwhelmed, Kara. I'm really sorry you're dealing with all of this. Based on what you've shared, a Delaware car accident last week, neck and low back pain, and you went to urgent care, it does sound like the kind of case our firm may be able to help with. I can't make any promises or give legal advice, but that's exactly what the attorney will go over with you in your Zoom meeting. If anything changes with your symptoms before then, please keep getting the care you need.
Okay, thank you.
Of course. We'll see you on Zoom on Wednesday, March 11th at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Take care of yourself.
I appreciate the help, Michelle. Goodbye. So if the prospect replies, the text conversation continues naturally. So again, no decision trees or canned answers. This means Missed details, they get clarified. Hesitant prospects, they get nurtured. And qualified leads, they don't fall through the cracks. This combination, voice plus conversational text, dramatically increases the odds that every good lead gets handled properly. With this kind of voice agent in place, your firm will have no more missed calls during busy periods, no after hours calls routed to untrained call centers, no curt or rushed responses from overwhelmed staff. Every caller is treated knowledgeably, treated patiently and professionally 24/7. And unlike hiring additional staff, this is remarkably affordable. We custom create your voice agent for a one-time flat fee and then handle all updates, platform fees, maintenance for a low monthly cost. The details are actually in the video description below. Try it out. I look forward to it.